1. He go or he goes. Many students say, he go to school every day, but the correct sentence is, he goes to school every day. Remember this simple rule. With he, she, and it, we add s to the verb. I go, you go, but he goes. Very easy, right? 2. Don't or doesn't. Some people say, she don't like tea. Correct sentence, she doesn't like tea. Rule. With he, she, it, use doesn't. Example, he doesn't play cricket. She doesn't wake up early. Age mistake. Many beginners say, I have 18 years, but in English, we don't use have for age. Correct sentence is, I am 18 years old. Always remember, I am 20 years old, not I have 20 years. 4. Big mistake after did. Listen carefully. I didn't went there. This is wrong. Correct sentence, I didn't go there. After did or didn't, always use the base form of the verb. Did go, did eat, did come. Never use the past form after did. 5. Extra word problem. Sometimes we add extra words without thinking. Return back the book. Correct, return the book. Discuss about the issue. Correct, discuss the issue. Some verbs already include the meaning, so we don't need extra words. 6. Continuous tense confusion. Many students say, I am understanding. Correct, I understand. Some verbs are not used in continuous tense. For example, know, understand, believe, like. Say, I know the answer, not I am knowing the answer. Final message. Making mistakes is normal, but repeating the same mistakes again and again is not good. Practice daily, speak confidently, and try to notice your small errors. If you improve these small mistakes, your English will improve automatically. Thank you for watching.